Hey, welcome back to Dent Recovery, or welcome to Dent Recovery. A little bit of a different video today. Shooting it in the dark, because felt like it, I don't know. But I bought a Cobra 29LX CB radio, and I have it calibrated here, back in there, and I'm on channel 20, like all the other videos I just said I am. And you can see it's calibrated, but if I hit the SWR button, I am way above 1.5. And I know it's supposed to be around 1.5 or lower. I don't know what to do. And if I go in here, also, go into the menu and go all the way down to radio check. First test, I pass. Battery test, that passes. That's good. And antenna, fail. And my antenna came with the cable pre-built into it. I just had to plug it into the back of the CB. Could that be why the SWR? Or could that be caused by the high SWR? Shortwave radio? Could that be causing the antenna to fail? I have it mounted on the roof here, which is not metal, sadly. I want to say fiberglass, so I have it sitting on top of magnetic stickers. I don't know if that's good, or if I should just get rid of that and strap down a steel plate to the roof and have the antenna sit on there. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I tried a few different stations to see if anyone was receiving me, but I wasn't getting any responses, I don't think. So I'm wondering if the SWR is the issue. Yeah, if you have any solutions or anything, please drop a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. God bless.